Hey guys, welcome. Today, I will show you how the money in your account can generate 10 to 50% every month. The cars you see today are robots. Even the phone you are using are all robots. Robots make life a lot easier for us. But do you have a robot that helps you to trade in the financial market? That works for you 24/7 to generate between 10 to 50% profit for you in the financial market? Let me introduce you to a great robot and AI called 𝙄𝙄𝙉𝙆. 𝙄𝙄𝙉 is a quantitative robot and automated robot that helps you to buy low and sell high in the financial market. The sweetest part of it is that both close all your trades on profit. No single loss. Why? Because in the economic and cryptocurrency markets, they both trade on a wallet called Spot Wallet. Financial experts and even those who know nothing about the cryptocurrency market are trading comfortably using the robot because it does all the work for you, even if you don't know anything about it. Rather than storing your money in your account, where it gives you no interest, why don't you convert it to dollars and put it in your Binance and Huobi account and connect it to both and make up to 10-50% monthly? It is incredible. To register, use the link and referral code in the description of the video. Don't hesitate to contact us at any of the handles listed in the video description for more information on how to get started.